Hi friends, I wanted to see if we could use some items from home to make a clock to help you with some of your clock work today. So I want to show you what I did and let's see if you're able to duplicate. So first of all, I'm using some things that I found at home. I have a piece of cardboard which I just cut off of a box that I had. So I just cut the flap off the box. So I have the piece of cardboard. You'll need a pair of scissors, a ruler or some kind of a straight edge, a paper clip or something, a tack, something like that that you'll be able to attach the hands, and a paper plate. So first of all, you'll want to use the ruler or a straight edge of some type to cut your hands. And the way that we can do that, we need one hand that is thicker, wider, and shorter, and one hand that is narrower and longer. So I just went ahead and cut my hands. Whoops. Just drew. Not sure why that's not. Drew my hands. And then we'll cut. You might have to go from one side to the other side to cut because the stiff cardboard is kind of hard to cut. But I turn it one way and then I turn it the other way to be able to cut through the cardboard, as it is pretty thick. And we want it thick and stiff to represent the hands of the clock. Now, I'm going to take my paper plate and I'm going to find the center, maybe put a little mark there. I'm going to place my two pieces of cardboard on, and that will give me an indication of where I should cut it for the hands. So I'm going to say the hour hand is shorter and thicker, and the minute hand is going to be longer and thinner. And you can take the cardboard and cut a little arrow to make it look more like your clock on each end. Now this may be where we need a little help from parents. You're going to take the paper clip and open it up so you have one very pointy end, and you'll push it through the cardboard. Make a nice hole there. That was the hour hand. Here's the minute hand. We're pushing it through. And then we also have to push it through the paper plate. And that is probably where you're going to need a little help from your parent to actually make it go through. There we go. Okay, so now that we have all the holes, we'll put the hour hand is closest to the plate. Let's see, how do we want to do that? Hour hand is closest to the plate, so you want to kind of line them up. Hour hand on the bottom, and then slip it through the hole. Just like that. Now we're going to take the other side and bend the paper clip and kind of, I'm twisting it around to kind of make it secure. And then this side we want to bend down to make it somewhat secure. So now you have your hands. Now, when you put the numbers on your clock, you're going to put, let's see if I can turn this so that you can see it. I'm gonna do this upside down for you. So you're going to put the 12 at the top of your clock, the 6 at the bottom, the 3 to the right of your clock, let's see, right about here, and the 9 to your left of your clock. And then you can fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn that a little bit. Okay, so now you have your clock. So friends, when you're doing your clock work and you know you need, let's see, 2 o'clock plus 30 minutes, you can go ahead and move your clock. You have to kind of hold it. You'll have to work with a little bit. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 2 o'clock plus 30 minutes equals 2:30. That should do it. Thank you.